Session Chairman, panel members, ladies and gentlemen. Paucity of time, I promise you it's a very short presentation. I'll take just 3 or 4 minutes. Everything about Aadhaar has been said here. What is Aadhaar, how it can be used, how the various states are leveraged it. So what I propose to show is just a snapshot of what Kerala thinks about Aadhaar and what Kerala proposed to do with Aadhaar to citizen-centric projects. Indeed, it's my privilege to stand before such an august audience and august panel members to represent Kerala and IT Mission. Just one sentence about IT Mission. It is the arm of the government in fostering e-governance projects, and we are also the nodal agency for the UID project. This is just a highlight or a snapshot about the UID project in Kerala. Like Chairman said, we are the fourth in enrollment after Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Karnataka. And the quality of enrollment in biometric, it's the highest in the country. We started late. We are a late starter, but still in the short span, we have been able to reach the number 4 position. And yesterday, the Honorable Chief Minister was saying that Andhra Pradesh is trying to complete the enrollment at the earliest. But I think we are going to beat them to it. And the government has set a deadline of March 2013 for enrolling the entire population. As of now, we have covered 1 crore 64 lakhs by UIDAI, and we have got another register, the NPR, the RGI, and accounting for their enrollment, the total enrollment should be around 2.3 crores, which means we have got another 1 crore to go. And March 2013 looks probable. The state register has 3 enrolling agencies, and Akshaya is the CSC in Kerala. We have got around 2,000 Akshaya centers, and they are doing a wonderful job, and it's because of them that the enrollment could be reached to this number. Now, as I said, the milestones show that the government has decided that March 2013 will be the timeline. And what do you do after the enrollment? Because even now we have got a lot of issues being raised by the citizens. There are errors, there are rectifications to be done. So what do we do? So what we have decided is by the year end, we'll have a permanent enrollment and updation centers at all districts across the state. And then we are one among the 2 or 3 states in India to have the state resident data hub. Like it was detailed earlier, the problem that we face is seeding the Aadhaar number into the other data bases. Each department have their own databases, but it's all independent silos. So that interoperability is going to be possible, and SRDH and Aadhaar will be the medium through which all these databases are going to speak to each other. And we have around 110 lakh XML files have already been uploaded to our SRDH. Now, Aadhaar enabled service delivery initiatives. The government of Kerala have taken a decision that the governance forward will be a smart governance. Smart in the sense simple, measurable, accountable, responsive and transparent governance. And along with it, we need to empower the people BPL as well as APL. And for that, the best way of empowerment is to ensure that their entitlement reaches them. And for that, the government strongly believes that Aadhaar is going to be a game changer. And the first pilot project that we have drawn out is the NREGA wages. The NREGA wages are being paid through the bank accounts. On 22nd of this month, Ernakulam is going to be declared as the first 100% financially inclusive district in all of India. So this is an initiative taken by the RBI governor, if I am right, Mr. Nandan, and our Honorable CM will be declaring Ernakulam as the first 100% inclusive district in India. And along with that, the NREGA wages will be paid through Aadhaar-linked bank accounts in one panchayat in Ernakulam, and that too is being inaugurated on the same day. And the other big project, we have heard of many pilot projects happening in states across India, but the state government is planning a comprehensive project which is the deduplication of the 16, 17 odd welfare boards under the Labour Department and ensuring that the pensions and other payouts are through Aadhaar-linked bank account. And this is not a pilot, this is a comprehensive project to be rolled out across the state. And if I'm right, around 50 lakh to 60 lakh welfare board members are there, and once the deduplication is done, figures around 25-30 lakh members should be there, and all payouts, including the pensions, will be through Aadhaar-linked bank accounts. And the other projects have already been talked about: kerosene subsidy, PDS subsidy. So all this, there are problems. And one suggestion which I like to put across is, PDS, kerosene subsidy, there might be pilots which have been successful, at least in one district in any other state. So let us rack our brains. We too find a lot of issues in rolling out these projects. The dealers association, a part of the public. We are getting opinion from them. So if there are successful pilots which have been piloted in any district, let's sit together and let this be fine-tuned to meet other states, so that let's not waste time. So the billion-dollar question is, what does Aadhaar do after enrollment? How is it going to benefit me? So unless these kind of projects are rolled out, the citizen will lose their confidence in Aadhaar. So if you try to roll out all the projects in one state, the reception by the public would not be that easy. So what I would suggest is, all the pilots which have been successful need to be fine-tuned, and those pilots need to be rolled out in other states also. Then, like I said, the SRDH, Kerala is one of the second or third state to start the SRDH. We have identified 3 pilot departments whose databases would be seeded with the Aadhaar number. We have problems there too, but we really feel that by the year end we could roll out some projects associating these 3 departments, namely PDS, the Labour Board Welfare Boards, and the Student Teacher Database. And before ending my presentation, what the government feels is, with Aadhaar, each and every citizen of Kerala will have a bank account, or rather a financial address, and that is what Aadhaar is all about. Thank you.